Claude just added something new last week that I've personally found out recently, and it's a control that most people are ignoring. And it's right next to the model selector in Cowork. It's a little dial. You can set how much effort Claude puts into your response. Normal, high, extra, or max. Careful, because high is the default. But here's what I've been just doing, just for quick stuff. Subject line, a caption, the ones I put in these videos, or no research, I just drop it to normal. It's a fast response and it uses way less of my rate or my usage. For anything I actually care about, like a full content brief, a script outline with my voice, my brand, everything, I bump it to extra or max. That way Claude thinks harder, digs deeper, and produces something I don't have to fix that much. Just takes 1 second to set, and nobody's talking about it. So go open Cowork right now, look for it, it's there. You've been just leaving it in default this whole time, taking up your usage.